Hey friends, in this video I will show you how to make online resume or curriculum vitae or CV for free in just 5 minutes. Let's begin. Search for myamcat.com. So this is my AMCAT page. Here you can create a professional resume or CV. Many features are available in a single tool. So the difference between resume and CV is of length. CV are different from a resume, which is typically a brief 1 or 2 page summary of qualifications and work experience, while both are used in job applications. So first step you have to do is, friends, log in using your social account, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google account, or you can even register new. So here on the top you can see a bar. Here options are available. AM Career Services. In this option you can see resume building option. You can get started with resume building. Into the need help option, here you can find resume templates. Click on resume templates. In resume templates you can choose your field, and on the right side different templates are available. So select any one of your choice. So when you take your cursor on a particular resume, you can find these 3 options available. So first is view template. So click on view template. Through this you can view your template. So you can view any template and choose of your choice. So if you think this resume is perfect for you, then you can click on create resume to directly create resume online, or you can even download it and create it offline. For example, I will download this and show you. Here you can see it is downloaded. Click on open option. Click on enable editing option. So you can download any template and edit offline if you want. So after downloading, only the work you have to do is editing. So you can edit here your name, your contact details, your address, summary, certificates, skills and other points. So after downloading, you have to just edit all the points. So using my AMCAT, you can create resume offline and online. So for offline, you have to just download the template of your choice, and to continue online, you can directly click on create resume option. Now you can create the resume online. Click on select option. When you click on select option, on the left side you can see color formatting option is available. 3 colors are available. Select your color and click on choose template. So this is the advantage of creating online. You can select the color also. So here I will show you one example how to create online resume. So the first step is fill all your personal details. Here on the top you can see all the steps. So first step is personal details, then education details, professional details, additional details, add summary and finalize option. So here you can fill all your personal details. On the right side you can see all the tips are given by myamcat.com. You can use these tips, fill all the information and click on save and next option. Second step is education details. You can fill all your education details. Again, some tips are given on the right side. You can read them. This can help you to fill all the information. You can add your education details. You can even add more educational details. Click on add educational details to add more and save and next. Then third step is professional details. Fill all the information in the job description. You can see here some are recommended phrases by myamcat. So you can choose any. Click on add. So on the left side it will be added. So in the job description, formatting tools are available: bold, italic, underline. You can highlight your description using the underline option. Alignment is available. Through the previous option, you can go back to your previous page. Through preview option, you can preview your resume page. Click on save and next option. Next is the additional details. You can add your additional information For example, achievements, papers, certifications, projects, and skills. You can add your hobbies, your language, and you can also create your custom section also. Add your details and click on save and next option. Second last is to add summary. You can add your summary. On the right side here, some summary recommendations are given. You can click and add the summary. So these are ready-made provided by MyMCAT. Add your summary and click on save and next option. So the final step is finalize. So the last step, you can see your resume structure created. So if you think you have left with any point, you can edit from this step also. So click on this edit option. So you can also edit. Click on save and preview. So this is the resume created. So friends, this was example of how to create your resume online. So using mymcat.com, you can create your resume online as well as offline. So to create online, you have to pay. Online is a paid one and offline is for free.